Hi, Christina Keising, showing you how to glue NCR paperwork. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your flat piece down on top to hold them steady, and then you're going to drop these pins down on top on both sides. And then you're going to tighten the top screws just to add a little bit of pressure so they're not going to move anywhere while you're gluing. You'll probably do them simultaneously. So you feel like a good amount of pressure is on them that they're not going to move. Then you're going to take this part off.
Just set it anywhere that you will be out of the way and you won't bump it.
Right. This is actually gonna lean down a little bit when you're putting it in. When you go to glue, you can actually take it and just leave it flat. So this glue is NCR glue, just for the NCR paper. So we pre-mixed it. I like to give it a little mix. And then generously, you're gonna add the glue here. I like to do a couple coats just to make sure you got it all. And this glue is gonna adhere the white piece to the yellow piece for receipts. And you're gonna continue that for the other side, and then wait. I think it says about a half an hour for that to dry. There's not a lot of paper here, so probably less than that. And that's it. Thank you.